In this Circuits of the Past video, we'll show you a track guide of the Paul Ricard circuit, home of the Formula 1 French Grand Prix. The Paul Ricard circuit is located in the south of France, near the village of Castellet, not too far from Marseille. The circuit was built in 1969 with financial support from industrialist Paul Ricard. It adopted his name when it opened in 1970. Between 1971 and 1990, it hosted the Formula 1 French Grand Prix 14 times. Then it lost the F1 race to Magny Course, and then since 2018, the Grand Prix returned back to Paul Ricard again. For the 2021 race, they'd resurfaced some parts of the track. So, let's start our lap. The first corner is a left-right chicane, which was originally a very fast combination. It was changed during a huge construction though after it was bought by Bernie Ecclestone in 1999. The old version is still there however, and might be included on one of the 180 odd configurations of this circuit. It's like a Rubik's Cube. Under Ecclestone, the circuit changed into a high-tech test track, complete with asphalt runoffs. Today, Ecclestone's ex-wife Slavica owns the track. Not bad for a marriage innings. The next corner is another chicane, followed by a double right-hander. After the double right-hander follows the flat-out left kink leading to the most famous part of the Paul Ricard circuit, the long Mistral straight. Originally, the Mistral straight was 1.8 kilometres long. However, after the Formula 1 test accident in 1986 that cost the life of Elio De Angelis, they changed the layout for Formula 1. Since then, they turned right immediately after the start-finish straight to a shorter version of the Mistral straight. That was exactly here where they entered the straight. However, today the Mistral straight is interrupted by a chicane, and since the return of the French Grand Prix in 2018, Formula 1 has used the full straight again. So, now we took a look at the chicane, we're on to the second part of the Mistral straight. At the end of the straight is the fast right-hand corner named Signes. In the old days, it was the most feared corner of Paul Ricard, but with today's chicane in the straight, the corner is easy flat out with a Formula 1 car of today. After Signes comes the most technical corner combination of the track, the double right-hander of Beausset. Actually, these bends are too close together to go through them in a nice smooth line, so it takes a lot of practice to get these corners correct. After Beausset follows a short straight leading to a double left-hand combination with a fast entry and a slow exit, quite unusual for modern day racing. The next right-hander is easy full throttle, so much so that it's more like a curved straight than between two slower corners. The curved straight is leading towards a long left-hander which is immediately followed by the final corner, which incidentally is also the slowest corner on the track. So that brings us back to the start-finish of the 5.809 kilometres, or 3.6 miles if you're in old money like me, long Paul Ricard circuit. During the Formula 1 French Grand Prix, drivers will complete this lap 53 times. In 2019's Grand Prix, Lewis Hamilton took pole here with 1 minute 28.319 seconds. We were a little bit slower today. If you want to know more about the historic racing circuits of the past, please visit the website www.circuitsofthepast.com. There you can download a free ebook about 7 abandoned racetracks, our core business, that you can visit legally. For now though, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on our next video from another circuit from the past, and occasionally from the present too.